Gordon Bruner here with DMC Facilities, bringing you Minutes to Save Thousands. Minutes to Save Thousands is a program that we put together to bring you the tools to easily spot check problems early in the game to potentially save you thousands of dollars in costly repairs down the road. Look forward to you joining us.
Up on the roof, next thing we want to talk about is the type of roof that your building can have. It's always nice to know that, especially if you have a problem and you call your service provider. There's basically three types of roof. There's a rubber roof, which is what this is, welded seam rubber roof. There's a modified roof, which is modified torch down. When you look at it, it's strips about this wide that are run all the same way. It has a real fine gravel coating on it. And then there's a build-up roof, which is typically a hot mop tar roof with several layers of tar and then felt paper, tar, felt paper, tar, felt paper. And then they put gravel, so there'll be big gravels all over your roof. Some of the things you want to do when you're inspecting your roof is you just want to walk around, take a few minutes, check the seams, check where it turns up the wall, look for holes, make sure you police the roof and you get any screws and bolts and garbage and trash off your roofs, because there's some, in this, like right here, it's one of the things you're going to find. See, this patch is starting to fail. That's just a leak getting ready to happen. So, you know, in our investigation, and we've discovered this, so we'll be able to get that taken care of before it becomes a big problem. So, another thing on rubber roofs are these walk-off mats are wonderful. It actually gives you a second line of protection against your roof where most of your people, all the heavy traffic is, and where people are servicing your units and doing those things, so that's good to know. When you're doing your inspection of your roof, make sure you go around where there's any vent stacks, which this is a vent stack. Make sure that the boots are tight and sealed. You want to make sure that your parapet metals are in good shape. This is a parapet wall. Any wall in the perimeter of a restaurant's a parapet wall. And there's seams in this metal, so you want to make sure that these seams right here, that they're sealed, that there's not any missing parapet metals. You want to make sure, like I said, that there's no holes in it. There's none loose flopping around, because it's just not a good thing. You're going to get water in your walls and you're going to have a potential leak. So just remember, type of roof, take a few minutes to walk the roof, look for potential problems, bad patches, seams starting to come apart, holes, police your roof, make sure there's no screws, bolts, nuts, crap, bottles, anything like that. You want to make sure you got a good, clean roof. So that's kind of what I got to say on roofs. Like I said, it's well worth a few minutes of your time to keep an eye on your roof.
And in closing, visit us at minutestosavethousands.com for a downloadable checklist, more videos, and our own Android and iPhone apps that can help your minutes save you thousands.